channel, Click to Pro with Inalibu. I want to believe you're learning. Today, showing you how you can split document. Assuming you have about 10 pages and you want to extract only one page from the 10 page, or you want to substitute, there is a need for you to split the document. That's what I'll be showing you. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also share with your friend. Now let's go. We'll click Split PDF. After I click Split PDF, the next thing I will do is select PDF file. Now I will select the PDF file, click on select PDF file. The next thing I will do is to look for any document PDF that has more than one page, because you need to have about more than one page before you can split. Now I will be using this one. Select that file there. Now once you select the file, click on this setting here. Once you click on the setting, you can click on pages. That means you want all of the pages to be single. Okay, you can select pages. Once you click on select pages, you click split PDF. Now it is splitted. You click on download split PDF. Wait for it to be downloaded. Let's click on the details to see how it is going. Okay, let's wait for it to be downloaded. Now it's going to be downloading it in zip. You can see it has been downloaded as a zip extension. Now I will click on that zip extension. Then I will use any of my tools at WPS, and then I'll click to open that particular file there. Now watch and see. Can you see that we have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6? Remember the last document we converted was 6 pages. Did you remember? So now it has been splitted to 6 different pages. Now I can decide to open the first page. Let's see what is there. I can decide to open the first page there to see what is. Can you see that? So it has been splitted to different pages. I hope you are learning. If you are learning, and if this particular tutorial is helping you, please do it to subscribe. Also like and also turn on your notification bell so that you get more videos from us. In the next video, I will also be showing you another important tool. Okay, do it to subscribe and do have a wonderful day. See you again.